Is this working? Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Does this work? Is the question. So I'm gonna put a chat up here as well. Chat. Nice, okay. I wish I could have the chat on another window. How you guys doing? Can you see me? Anybody there? I'm gonna get started in just a minute here. Let's see. How do you do this? Hope this is working. I think it's working. It seems to be good. Okay, I just gotta open up everything. It's been so long, I've forgotten how to do this. Channel, let me see. What is this? Oh God. Live chat. Hello, hello. My mans. I just want to see the chat. I don't want to see everything else. How do you do that? Okay, I guess I have to see myself. I want to have the chat open on my little thing here. Can you hear me good? Oh God. Can you hear me fine? Everybody? Okay. Let's put it on here. Very nice, man. How you doing? You doing good? Where's my other scene? There you go. Unity. Okay. I should have downloaded this before I got started. Damn it. Get started. Products. Get started, I guess. Okay, good. I need the individual one. Student, personal. Yes. We're gonna be making some fat games. Good, man. I'm doing good, bro. Thank you. Thanks, my man. I wanted to play some games, but I thought, why not stream for a little bit? But I just want to see how to download this. Download Unity personal. That's fine. Can you see the download button? Share your playable. Okay, I bet it's at the bottom. First time users. I can't remember. Of course, we won't be making. If I was making this, bro, man, please, damn. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe we can make that much. I have not raised funds in excess of 1,000. Okay, fine. I'll just download it. Download it. I bought a book. I just bought a book on Unity. Pretty good one. I gotta check it out. I'm gonna read it while I do this, and we're gonna be doing all the exercises and stuff on these streams. So I really want to learn Unity. So it's a good way to get to it. If you get a good book, it's a great way to start. So let's see if I can start this up. Unity Hub, okay. I agree. Let me put this up on. Let me put this in my big boy. Hey, what was that? Piotr, what's going on, my man? Welcome to the stream. In with a question directly. Why do you choose to use Unity over Unreal? Well, I mean, I got this book on Unity, and I like Unity 2D. It seems nice. I want to learn Unreal as well, but I'll get started with Unity. Why not? It's also a good game engine. Unreal is great, but I think I'll do Unreal when I start with 3D. Some more 3D stuff. Programs. Okay. This is Unity Hub. Let's see. Yeah, so that's why, man. But we'll see, I'll do some Unreal as well. Unity, run Unity Hub. Nice. Yeah, let's go. Why would I want to put it here? Bro, I just put the other thing over there. Okay, hold on. Where is it? G programs, Unity hub, select what? Hold on, Unity hub. What was it gonna do? Why is this so complicated? Unity hub. We'll do this. We'll create a new folder, editor. We'll put it in there. Yes. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's do this. Create Unity ID. Hold on, then I gotta switch it up here. Boom. So you don't see anything. And yes, yes, create. Oh shit, no, hold on. I should have done it with Google. Why didn't I do it with Google? Okay. Okay, nice. Cool. Let's see, now how do you do this? Unity has long supported 3 and 2 graphics. The tools are both grown, most sophisticated, and user-friendly. Release Unity has several tiers of licenses and is free for projects. Okay, so let's get to the introduction part. Installing Unity. So you go to the store, and difference between a free and a blah 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 blah. You should remember these tiers qualification. Okay. Sure. While installing Unity downloads, this will prompt you to select components for Unity Editor. You want to install and ensure the following components are checked off. You need to have most recent version documentation, standard assets. Okay. So we'll see. I don't know. Sign. Let's just do empty 3D, whatever. My first game. Sure. Wow. Okay. Let's get back to it. Nice. Gotta download this. Okay, so you install it. Ooh, first time you'll be prompted, sign in your account, creating sign in your account, some more advanced feature, cloud builds and ads. Okay, so you can create mobile games with Unity as well. I think it's all in here. Parent directory called source. Is Unity 2D something else? Let me see. Unity 2D. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it's all the same. Okay. Because this is what I did. I went into individual, got started. I guess we'll see when it installs. Default script editor. Visual Studio is now the default script editor for developing C# scripts. Cool, okay. Navigating with Unity. Nice, okay. Let's see. Let me check out some stuff here while it's installing. Let's see. What else we got? Keep that up. Let's see. Damn. Okay. Showcase. There we go. Okay, let me see what's going on. What you guys been doing? Started to RPG game. Nice. It's a little box there. Oh, did somebody actually made this? Wow. Okay. Yeah, let me check this out. using my thing. Hold on. Oof. Ooh. What? Wow. Okay. That's nice. Using my using my tiles. So weird to see someone else using the tiles you made that I have drawn out. You made the corners though. I don't know if I made those corners. Somebody made those corners. Wow. Damn. That's awesome, bro. What? That's funny. That's funny. Man, my tiles look so weird. I haven't even finished all the tiles yet, but yeah. At least that looks cool. I like the ground, the grass and all that stuff. It looks pretty cool. Nice. Yeah. We gotta update those. Damn, good job, man. Who made that? Chidley Animate Chihi. Nice. Oh man, please. Okay, that was crazy. What is this? Okay. Oh, so guys, this shadows. Oh shit, what is that? Is it lagging? Damn, that looks pretty nice. Well, that looks pretty nice. Is it installed? Oh, it's installed. Okay, launch Unity. So let's see what happens here. See, launch it. Access, yes. Now, let me see. This is toolbar, which consists of free transform toolset tool. Okay, we'll get to that. The script editor, Visual Studio. Let's start off by setting it up. So I sign in. Come on, bro. Hurry up. Unity. I can close this. Close that. Okay, we'll keep that open for now. Come on, bro. There we go. Okay, what? Okay, interesting. New project, I guess, right? Projects, templates, 2D. There we go, 2D. New Unity project. Let's do this tutorial stream series book, something like that. And I'll not put it there. I will put it in folder projects. We'll just put it in there. Select folder. Carding high definition RPFPS micro game. 2D platformer micro game. Okay, but you know what? We're just gonna do 2D. So I guess it's gonna start a whole 2D thing. Projects, learn projects. What is this? This is a whole different type of thing here. Because it's an old, this is a new Unity, is way new. This one is like 2017 in the book. Hey Johnny Test, hey, welcome bro. I'm doing great, man, thanks. How about you? You doing good? Hope you're staying safe. I am doing great. We're learning Unity here. I can't show you the book because of legal reasons, but I do have a book here which I'm going through. So I'm trying to see how you would do this. Why the project looks different. Okay, well, at least that worked. At least that worked. Now, the learning scene screen and figure. Let's go through Unity's projects and learning. Is there any projects or learning here? Nope. Hey, bro. I don't know how to say your name, man. I'm sorry. Yo, Daniel, what's going on, bro? Johnny says, I'm fine. Quarantine's crazy. Yes, it is, bro. Yes, it is. Still quarantine. Still quarantine. 2021 we'll be having quarantine. But thanks, bro. Thanks. I don't know how to say your name, man, in there. But hello, your CPV tutorials is amazing, but I switched to Rustline. Okay, interesting. But thank you so much. That means a lot, bro. That means a lot. Okay, hopefully this is the Unity. Okay, so let's go through on this history. On the last 6 projects you worked on will appear. But hold on, let me see. What if I close this? What if I close all this and I say Unity? I start the Unity app. Unity Hub. Oh, here we go. Okay, guys. Okay. So learn is here. So you can learn all of the stuff here. John Lemon's Haunted. Oh, this is amazing. You can learn all kinds of 2D game. Oh, shit. Nice. So you can learn right through the Unity. There's straight up tutorials here where you can check it out. Community stuff. Okay. Unite now. All that stuff. Installs. Okay, I have this installed. You can add modules to it. Okay, interesting. Project. So here you'll see the 6 projects you have worked on will appear and can be opened by selecting them. Okay. In the cloud. So we're using cloud-based. So I'm reading a book as well, guys, just so you guys know. And I can't show it on screen, on stream, but I will be reading it. Now, let me just do this real quick. Okay. And I'll read out loud whatever is very interesting. So I can't read the whole thing out loud. Okay, so you can save your whole thing on the cloud in Unity, and they can sync the projects and stuff like that. Of course, you can work together. It'll be like a Git type of thing, right? Like you can work in big teams. The learn section, wealth of information. Yeah, we just saw that. A bunch of tutorials, sample projects. This is a good book. I recommend this book. I put it in, at least you can go to Amazon and just search for 2D game development with Unity and you will find it. 2D Unity or Unity game development or something like that. You'll find it. It's a great book. I'll show it to you guys in a minute here. The screen figure, yes. And if your configuration options, set up your project. The full name of the Unity project is new Unity project. Change the project name. RPG, greatest RPG ever. Would be Swaglord in our case. Swaglord RPG, the classic. We're gonna forget this. Which was created. Okay. I'll leave this setting turned off. Okay, let me see. Enable Unity Analytics. That's a whole different thing. So what if we do this? Project name. Oh, okay. This is how that was. And then you can't really do that for me. Well, we'll click that anyway. We'll open it. As of Unity, Visual Studio is now the default script editor. Damn, can't donate via... Daniel, you don't have to donate, man. Thank you. Yeah, bro, the classic emojis, right? Yeah, but you don't have to donate, man. You don't have to. Thank you so much, though, for even thinking of it. You being here is support enough, bro. Honestly, means a lot. Let's see. What was I? Script is C#. Okay, so you C# for script. So C# is going to be our language of choice here. There's a built-in script editor. Before it was Mono Develop. Unity now ships with Visual Studio for Mac instead of Mono Develop as well. Okay. And on Windows, of course, it's Visual Studio. No longer Mono Develop. Okay. Okay, stretching across the top of the unit is a toolbar, of course. Transform. Okay, I can't see that. Transform tool set. Tool handle controls, the play, pause, and step controls. Play, pause, and step controls. Okay, interesting. Move, rotate. Okay, yeah. Okay. You know, play, pause, and step. That's step. So you can step each frame probably. Interesting. It's made up of a number of Windows views that we'll review next. Okay. Understanding the different window views. Scene view. We'll cover some of them later in this book. Scene view. What is scene view? So scene, this is our scene view. I seem to be able to zoom in and out of this. Can I do this? Oh, I can do this. You have some kind of scenes folder. So let's see what that does. Scenes can be thought of a foundation of Unity projects. Okay. So it is the foundation of Unity projects, different scenes. You'll have it open most of the time. Okay, when you're working. That's good to know. So this is our main. This is what we need to focus on. Yo, what's up, John? What's going on? Always so happy to see you, bro. Always so happy to see you. How are you doing? How have you been? Thank you for tuning in, man. I haven't been tuning into your streams, but you know how I am, man. I'm sorry. And we haven't worked on the project you made either, man. I'm so sorry. This week has been a vacation week, sort of. I haven't even made videos. I just started today actually making videos properly. But yeah, thanks for joining, bro. I'll get to the other stuff as well. Also, you'll be happy to know Udemy is back on the plate. You're gonna be like, I just said that, but you know, I just say that, but no, honestly, it is. And when I came and grabbed the nap, doing better now. Oh, bad night, man. I'm sorry. I'm looking down here because this is where I have my chat on the phone here. That's why I'm looking down. Man, I'm sorry you had a bad night, honestly. Yeah, but you know, stuff you can't control. But I'm good. Maybe you're. Yeah, you said you're doing better now. That's great, man. Yeah, naps are awesome. Better be, yeah. You know what I just did, bro? I just downloaded, or I just bought a book on Unity. Let me show you guys what book I just bought. Hold on. And I'm gonna be going through this. So let's go to Amazon here. I just bought this one, Unity game development. Let's see if I can find it. I think it's one of the most popular ones. This is the one I bought. And I'm going through it now, actually going through it while streaming. So this is gonna be the whole thing about the streams coming up. I'm gonna go through the whole book. I can't show it on stream. Oh my god, bro, you don't have to. You didn't have to, bro. Dark RP, bro. How much? You didn't have to. Go ahead and donate, bro. Oh my god, thank you so much for the donation. Damn. Yeah, let's see that first of all. But yeah, the stream is gonna be about going through this book. I can't read it on stream, but I'll read sections of it, small sections of it, and go through it. Let's see, Streamlabs. Is that how you check? Or do I have my YouTube open? Let's go to my channel. Man, yo, what's up, Mr. PhD? How you doing, man? Missed you, man. So good to see you here. So good to see you and all of you here. Wow, bro. No, what? 53? No way, bro. No. What are you doing, man? You didn't have to do that, dude. Oh, you're crazy, bro. Oh my god. What? You didn't have to do that, bro. Oh my god, you're absolutely incredible. Wow, you're so generous, dude. That is so generous. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm glad I could help you, bro, but it's free, you know? I mean, you just chilling on my stream is enough. I'm not used to this, honestly, bro. I don't know how to thank you, but thank you so much. $53. That's insane. You know, $2 would have been, you know, something, but 53, that's crazy, bro. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Wow. That's, you know, that just like, that's crazy. That's crazy. That is insane. So generous. No, bro, don't do anymore. Goddamn emojis. Can I update emojis on my channel? I don't know how that works, honestly. That's crazy, man. Ah, wow. What are you guys doing? Let's see what you wrote, Shadow. I'm sorry. Comes with the job too. Ooh, damn. Sorry, man. Yeah, I understand though. That's how it is, I guess. You know, I don't work in medicine or in an ambulance and all that, but you know, I can imagine. But you know, props to you, man, for doing that, like working through that. Honestly, big applause to you, bro. Um, I'm doing good, man. Too hyped to have Surgeon you guys back after a long time. Yes, yes, bro, we're back. So let's see what we're doing now. They're going through the scenes. So the scene view, like we said, it's the foundation of Unity projects. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you know this, Shadow, all of this stuff. But I'm going through the very basics. I'm going to be an expert. We're going to make our own 2D game and we're going to publish it eventually. Everything happens, you can play the scenes. So everything that happens is placed here. Sorry if I'm looking down a lot. I have my book right here. I'll do like this. So most of the work with sprites and colliders is done here. They contain game objects. All right. We'll go through game objects later in chapter 3. All right. But I really recommend this book, by the way, guys. Buy this book if you want to get into 2D game development. Honestly, I mean, if you're working with 2D games and you're not working in an engine, I understand if you want to learn how to make an engine, you're watching my videos and stuff like that. I appreciate it. But if you really want to make a game, I really, really suggest getting into a game engine because it will really help you out later in life as well. When you want to work in the industry or whatever, if you know an engine, you're good to go. Honestly. Hold on. What are you guys doing? I don't enjoy learning new APIs. I feel you, bro. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. But this is this seems to be pretty good. Like if you have a book, then you can learn it. But I understand, man. I've been putting this off for a long time, Daniel. Trust me. But I finally got to it. And if I can hang out with you guys at the same time, I'm really happy. I said my name finally. I did. Did I? Suraj. Suraj. That's how you say it. Suraj. In American English, it's Suraj. Suraj. Okay, you can say Suraj. That's how I say it. That's real American. It's been good to see you learning too because I've been thinking, oh, great, man. So we'll go through this like everything that's in the book. I'll go through. I can't read the book like I said, but I will go through as much as I can. Okay, so game objects in the scene. That's fine. Game view. Now, where is the game view? This is the game view. It says game here. It renders your game from the currently active camera's point. Okay, great. Oh, you can play it and view it here while you're working on it. Okay. Oh, you can build and run your game from outside the Unity editor. Okay. Oh, they will cover it later. Nice. Okay, asset store. So we have the asset store right here. You're currently offline? Can I log in? Yo, Shadow, you know why I'm offline? Thank you. Awesome. Welcome, bro. Welcome. It was a joke when I asked you how to pronounce your name. You know that, right? But it's John, right? It's John. It's not like John or something like that, right? It's John. It was funny. I remember I asked you. You're like totally serious. But that's cool, man. That's cool. I understand. Uh, all our conversations are funny. Okay, so come on, factor. This is awesome that you have an asset store because you can like download everything. So artists, developers. So if you guys are artists or developers or whatever, and you want to put up your stuff assets here, I think you can make a nice amount of money just posting stuff up on these types of asset stores, Unreal assets and you know, Unity assets, all that stuff. So you can get quite a bit of money from that. I think you can go to assetstore.unity.com and just check it out there. Yeah, so it's cool that they have that integrated here. I'm gonna have to check this out. Thank you. Yes, nice. Daniel, hey bro, yes. Oh, at my name. Yes, bro. What do you need? Anything you need. The compiler bot is neat. Too bad it can't accept standard inputs. You need to pipe the inputs in. Okay. We'll work on that. You know what? We'll add some more bots. I mean, Vitex Vitex has been suggesting bots for a long time. We can ask him if he has another suggestion. When you do the next SFML Lua tutorial, you're opening libraries in Lua. Add these lines: Lua GC stop, Lua open libs, Lua GC restart. Okay. Great. Okay. Does that work for Lua JIT? Do you know? It should work, right? Okay, yeah, I'll definitely try that. Can you write that? I hate to ask you, but could you write that in the Discord or in the latest YouTube video somewhere and just tag me, like at my name, so I remember it. I might forget it if I just see it here. I really appreciate it, man. I mean, damn. First donations, now programming tips. That's crazy. You're all about. You got everything. It's in Discord. IRC. Oh, okay, all right. Hold on. No, that's a whole different thing. I just thought to make a chess game or something if it could. Oh, interesting. Okay. It even supports Lua. Okay. All right. Okay, I need to check that bot out more, guys. I haven't really done that. Okay, but that's asset store hierarchy window. The hierarchy window displays a list of all objects in the current scene hierarchy. Oh, this is the hierarchy. So we have several. This is a scene and it has a camera. So if I go to my scene, this is my camera. And the camera is a certain size. Oops. Okay. So what does this size entail? Orthographic perspective. Oh, nice. Okay. Perspective order. You can do perspective as well. Nice. Okay. But 2D is usually orthographic. So the difference would be perspective is kind of warped and orthographic is just straight up, you know, boom, right there. So if you do orthographic in 3D, everything would just be like a piece of paper just flattened weirdly. So you need perspective there to kind of warp everything. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Is your firewall blocking? I'm pretty sure it might be. I did press accept on it. I don't know why it did not do it, but I mean, account sign out, like, yeah, I don't know, but it's not that important, right? Unless I do online stuff. I'll see next time I run it. Okay, now I'm gonna read again, guys. So here you create game objects as well in the hierarchy window. Create drop-down menu. Okay. So game objects seems to be the whole deal here. So I can, oh, here we go. Okay, so 2D object, sprite mask, tile map. Ooh, nice, tile map, straight up. Okay, so we can add a bunch of things. You can add lights here as well, point lights, everything like that. Okay. So game objects can contain game objects, so it's a hierarchy there. So just like entity and stuff like that. So if I would make a game object called entity, I guess we can script that in, right? Basically, and then add a sprite to it and stuff like that. So that's cool. This is kind of how I'm making the Lua engine as well. Have you ever heard of Godot? It's really good and easy to use. If you're into 2D game making, is a new go-to game engine. Okay. So Godot is the new go-to game engine. Interesting for 2D. Nice. Godot engine. I did hear of that. We did talk about that. Let me see. Godot. Free open source 2D game engine. Do you know how to learn this engine? Oh, this seems to be a very simple. And what language is that? Funk. C#, C++. Nice, Godot. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna learn Unity, then I'm gonna learn Godot. Nice. Thanks, bro. It's always on stream where I learn these things. Okay. Language is what's called a parent-child relationship. Interesting. Oh, it uses its own. Okay, interesting. It seemed like you could script in C++ or you could do stuff in C++, but yeah, worth checking out, I guess. But this is like more all-encompassing, I guess. But if I'd make a game, I'd definitely check out Godot. Here's a brief explanation about what we mean by parent-child. Okay, so called environment. Environment seems to be some kind of parent thing for several game objects. 2.5. What is 2.5? Oh, there we go. Okay. Game scene. Okay, the game scene here is the environment. Game scene. Hold on. Sample scene. Main camera. So a game object called environment. So you could add a game object called environment. However, ground contains, okay, so you can't see this image right now, but it's basically a sub-child called environment here, and then that child has something called ground on it, and ground contains tree, bush, road, and stuff like that. And then you have another thing under environment where you have an object called driver. So it's just showing the hierarchy here. Okay. Then we have the project window. What is the project window? This the whole thing or what? Overview of all the content in the assets folder. Oh, here is the project. Okay, so here is all the content. Nice. Okay, assets, scenes. So we can just drag and drop assets probably. Godot usually uses its own script. Okay. It uses GD script, C#, visual scripting, and C++. You can use visual scripting for the shaders. Pretty nice. Okay. Now, I don't have a second monitor yet, bro, Mr. PhD. I will get to that, actually. I need one if I'm going to stream. It would be nice to have a monitor here so you guys see me and not looking down. If you want C++, make your own engine. Maybe you should check Vulkan. It seems stronger than SFML. Oh, shit. Vulkan, bro. My man Paulos, welcome, bro. Welcome. My man Paulos goes straight to Vulkan. That is hardcore. That's crazy. But Vulkan is great, man. But it's an OpenGL thing, right? It's the next OpenGL. It's like DirectX 12. But SDL and SFML are like tiny droplets, while Vulkan is like the ocean. It's insane. I have a friend who's doing a master's using Vulkan, master's in game development using Vulkan. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Thanks, Paulos. It's a good idea still. Vulkan is really cool. Maybe a tab. It's really like on his lap or something. It's like yeah, man. I know. I'll do this. I'll do this. I'll read like this. Yeah, maybe I should have something, but I can't read the book on stream, sadly. Wait, why am I like this? Okay. Yeah, it's OpenGL. Yep. Okay, guys. Okay, let's keep working. So this is the project window down here, and it contains all the assets and everything, helpful to create folders, project and organizing all these materials, models, textures, scenes, and scripts. You'll spend a lot of time dragging and rearranging assets. Okay. In the inspector window. Selecting those assets to view them in the inspector window. So this is the inspector window. So you can drag an asset over here. Sample. Okay. I guess if I have an asset, I would 2D. Ooh, you got so many things here. Pixel. Okay, interesting. Okay, we'll get to that. I'm not gonna go ahead of myself. So you can drag them here and you can inspect stuff. So if I click on the camera, you can inspect it in the inspector window. There's a main camera right here. Camera preview. Ooh, nice. Okay. So they'll demonstrate suggested project folder structure. That's good to know. Okay, console view. This one I was interested in. I really want to know what this is. Clear, collapse, clear on play, clear on build, error, pause. So is it the same thing in 3D, bro? Shadow, if you're still here. I think OpenGL is better to learn. By the way, Serge, will you continue with OpenGL series? Hey, Pragma once, welcome. By the way, thanks for joining. Let's see. Yes, I will continue with OpenGLs. What? Someone wrote something weird here. I have to. Dude, you seem like a really beep begin guy. I don't know what that means, bro. I really don't know. Is that a compliment? Like, do I be whatever? You know what? I'm just gonna hide that. Peace, bro. What was the question? Is this the same type of structure in 3D? Like you have the scene, you have the hierarchy, you have everything. Is it the same type of thing in 3D? Or is this like a completely different editor? What can we do? Can we... No, we'll keep... You know what? We'll keep it here. Console... Okay, so we'll see our errors in the console window. Yes, that's correct. Okay, nice. It's the same in both 2D and 3D. Beginner on Unity. Yes, I'm a beginner on Unity, bro. I'm learning Unity. That's what the stream is about. But welcome, Marco. How you doing, man? I did choose 2D project. You finished my OpenGL series. Nice, man. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, I'm learning this because I really want to learn something where I can make a nice game. So I have a book here, which I'm reading. I can't show it on stream, but I'm reading it and I'm doing stuff from it. So, okay, so warnings from you. There are C# scripting for they used to output the We'll cover those later. I really want to get to the coding part. Tip. Okay, this is a good tip. So you'll get an error message with every Unity frame update. If there's any, those messages will clog up your console view. The collapse toggle. Do you see a collapse toggle? Oh, this is a collapse toggle. Okay. So it will collapse all identical errors. Okay. That's good to know. So now we're going to talk about the inspector window. This is one of the most useful windows. Okay. You can select the game object and use the inspector in the view, of course. Yeah, just like I'm doing here. All right, nice, nice. Techniques to create your own properties on game objects that can then be modified. Nice. Okay, that's like in Unreal when we use that macro. All right. Prefabs. You also use the inspector view and change properties on prefabs, cameras, materials, assets. Okay, cool. So you can pretty much change any kind of property here as long as you click on it. All right. So what are you guys saying here? I'm reading your stuff right here. If you choose a 2D project, you will use 2D vectors. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Pragma once. X and Y. Okay, that's good to know. That's really good to know. Thank you. Maybe webcam on bottom right of your screen. Okay. What is the hour in my country? 18. So 6 o'clock. Okay, bottom right. Thank you. I should do that. Bottom right. I should minimize this as well. There we go. Let's just put it right there. You don't need to see my face that much. There we go. Thank you, Mr. PhD. Yeah, 18 o'clock over here, 6 o'clock. Almost going on 7 o'clock. Oh, what was I doing? Which is this? Is which window were we? Inspector window. Okay. Good, good, good. Asset selecting user audio file, such as an audio file. Okay, you can even change stuff on audio files and stuff like that. Whatever asset you have, textures, you can change stuff for that here. Render, oh. Even material maps will allow you to inspect the rendering mode and shader. Nice. You can access many, this is a good tip, more common panes via the shortcut Control PC or CMD Mac plus number. For example, Control 1, Control 2, Control 3, Control 4. Okay, so Control 1 is the scene. That's good to know. Control 1, okay. Configure and customize the layout. So you can drag them around. You can save a layout. So you can move everything around, you can save a layout. So if I didn't want asset store here, I could put it over here. And then I could go to layout. So go to menu, window, layouts, save layout. Okay, interesting. That's good to know. Are you trying to do a specific game with Unity? No, not specific, bro. I have a book here which I'm reading, which I just bought. So I'm using that book to learn Unity basically on stream. So I can't read the book. I can't show you the book, of course, because I bought it. It's not public domain, but I can read a few things from it, quote a few things, and as well as work on Unity, learning Unity. Beside the cute kitty. Oh, the cute kitty. Where is it? Bro, we need a cat. We need the cat. Oh, we need the cat. Let's put the cat right here. This is our mascot. There we go. Can you see that? Can you see my man? Chilling right there. Maybe I can help. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll definitely ask for help. But I have the book here, so. I've used Unity 2D for 1 year. If you want, I can give you some advice. Sure, man. If you see something, you can let me know. But I'm using the book, so I might not need a lot of help right now. So you're like watching your stream with us. Which one is it? Oh, you mean, oh, you can see the cute kitty on the video. Okay. Oh, there you go. And we have one here as well. Include Unity H. Yes, yes. Welcome, Vector. How you doing, bro? How you doing? How are you all doing? There we go. Have you guys had a good weekend? What have you guys been doing? Let me know. I want to see. I want to know. Okay, so we can say click the layout selector in top rightmost corner of Unity editor, top rightmost corner. So this is a layout selector, and you can select any layout from here. That's good to know. Good. Use layout. So if you want to reset your layout, default. Oh, you can default it, of course. This one I'm interested in, the transform toolset. So this is called the transform toolset. I don't know how to move this. I don't know if you can even move this, but I think it's pretty much set. Okay. Three things now. The toolbar right now. Transform the tool handle controls, and the play, pause, and step controls. Okay, so play, pause, and step, and this is the tool handle controls. We'll get to the other ones later, right? Hand. So what does the hand do? So let me select the hand. Oh, you can't select any objects when this is, but you can like move the world around. Okay. So I'm guessing this can move everything around. So I can't select the camera anymore. Okay. Interesting. What did I have selected here before? I don't know. Okay, we'll get to that. Great, Marco. Great. I don't agree 100%. I like books. I've learned a lot from books, but I guess to each their own. Whatever you like, that's the way. As long as you're learning, it's great. Sup, bro? Nothing, man. Nothing. Nothing. Just chilling. Just learning Unity. What about you? How you doing? Oh, you already said doing awesome search. Oh, nice. Okay, cool, bro. That's planning. Yes, indeed it is. Indeed it is. So move, second move tool and select a game object will allow you to move that object around the screen. So okay, so now I can move the object. I guess you can select these. Good. Select all of these. Nice. Rotate tool rotates the selected object. So I have a rotate. Can you rotate the camera? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, hold on. Let's do this back to 5. So how do I rotate? Oh my God, what? Can I rotate a 2D camera like that? Oh, this is the stuff. So 0, 0. Okay, I can rotate. This is probably the outer rotate. Yeah, and this is the some kind of a, I don't know what that is, but that's very interesting. Okay, put that to 0. I'm pretty sure that has to do with 3D. Scale tool scales the selected object. Scale tool. So with this, I can scale the object. Okay, I bet. Scale tool selects the rect tool. Rect tool allows for moving or resizing of selected objects. Rect tool. So this is like moving. Okay. This tool is a combination of move, rotate, and scale tools. Interesting. So I guess that's the rect tool. Okay, I can change stuff. Good. Nice. At any time, you can tap on switch to the hand tool only in 2D projects by pressing Alt. So Alt. If I hold down Alt, you'll see it switches to the hand tool. All right, I'm gonna need all these things. The 6 controls visual map to the following. QWERTY. Oh, you can use QWERTY for all of these tools. QWERTY. QWERTY. Good. Wait, what is this? Hotkey W is to have game object snap to specific. Oh, I was wondering what to do this. So control. So if I hold down control while I'm moving something, it's gonna snap to specific increments. Ooh la la, I love that. Nice, great. At smaller boxes like SF view maybe. Okay, yeah, the camera, right? Yeah, it's like SF view, I'd say. Top of the world view, you can switch between 2D and 3D view. Ooh, what? Damn, that is insane. Cool, bro. Okay. Since Unity is always using 3D, even 3D projects, even 2D projects, yeah. Okay. Awesome. Okay, Serge, do you watch Biscuit? I did watch him. He's awesome. I don't watch him anymore, but he's pretty cool. He's been working for a long time with YouTube stuff, right? Really long time. He's really cool. Welcome, by the way, Parish. Did I say that right? Parish. Welcome. I have you down here. I have you guys down here. That's why I'm looking down all the time. But yeah, welcome. Hope you're doing great. Handle position controls. To the right of transform to 0, find the handle position controls as seen in figure 2.8. Center local. Oh, here we go. It's used to manipulate them in a scene. Adjust the position of the handles for the selected objects and how they're oriented. First toggle button. Position of the handles. 2 options for pivot. Okay, so I can switch to where I want this to move from. So pivot or center, local, center, pivot, center. Okay. Interesting. So I can't select that. Okay. All right, center that toggle button allows you to set the orientation of the handles and notes. Grayed out if the scale tool is selected. Okay, you can't use it if you're using scale. So those two buttons you can't use if you're using scale. Now this is interesting. Local is when functional will be relative to the game object. Okay, global when selected a transform tools functionality will be relative to the world space orientation. So okay, local is to the object and global. Interesting. So in here, it's within the object, and this is in the world. Okay, and here you can snap to grid. So this is placing, I bet this is placing, whoops. Let's put that to 0 again. Here we go. So this is placing it in the world. Or local. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. I need to understand that later on. Scale. Let me put that to 1, 1, 1. So I just scale that in world coordinates. All right, guys, we'll get to that. Local are the axes X, Y, and Z of an object, and global are the axes of the world. Okay. Okay. I'm sure I'll see that once I start making a game. This is great. It's possible to change the pivot point of a sprite by selecting the sprite in the project window, switching the sprite. So let's try to add a sprite here. Sample scene. Let's add a sprite. Now let's move that sprite somewhere here. Here. Is there, can I do something here? Knob. Sprite knob. Color. I haven't gotten to this yet. Sprite input field sprite. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it's just that small. Okay, can I scale that then? Scale, scale, scale. Let's do it a little bigger. One, 1, 1. Interesting. It is there though. Oh, I can see it. It's right there. It's very small. So how do I make that bigger? Oh, you can rotate 2D objects. Okay, just like you said, it's 3D. Okay. Interesting. Bro, do you recommend C++ language for writing an OS? C++? Yes, you could. You could. You could. I don't know if I'd recommend it. I'm not that good with OS stuff, but you could. You could. I know a friend who's using C to write it, but I guess you could might as well use C++. I guess it's, if any language, I'd recommend that. Let me see if I can take a sprite here. Resources, images, sprites, player. See if I can put that in there. Player. Can I add that? Oh, I can drag that. Oh, that's like a, is that a sprite then? Oh, that is a sprite. Okay. Awesome. All right, hold on. Sample sprites of material, additional settings, sprite render. Pixel snap render quality. Nice. Okay, so here we go. So if I would do local. All right. Nice. I haven't learned how to do this just yet. Sprite sort point. Draw mode. Tiled. Sliced. Ooh, what? Okay, no, I don't want that. Tiled. What if I do 1 here now? Oh, this is how you do it. Okay. So I'd say 1, no, 28. Adaptive, continuous, center. Okay. 0.5. 1.5, 2. So what if I just did 0.5 here? Okay, somewhat. All right, we have some kind of a sprite here now. Okay, I just wanted to see this. That's awesome. Now I can move this sprite. What if I do game? Oh, I got my sprite in game. I got this little nice. All right, steps. We're moving forward. Good. Sprite mode. So it says it's possible to change the pivot point. Okay. Sorry, I'm back. What are we doing? Hey, man. We're still working on this, trying to get sprites and stuff to work. Maybe try 20px. What unit does it use though? Yeah, right. I think it's like percentage or something. I don't know what it. So the polygon mode. To fix this, change the mesh type in the sprites import settings to full rect and sprite mode single. Okay, so sprite mode single, texture type. What did it say? Full mesh type, full rect. Apply. Okay, there we go. All right. Maybe 6 here. Ah, there, look at that. That is a nice head. That's great. Can we scale this up a little bit? Ooh, oh, okay. That is interesting. Very interesting. So was that because I had local? Is that because I have local, bro? Why is that? So if I select transform and I go here, hold on. I select scale and I want to scale the entire dude up. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, interesting. There's 2 modes, play mode, edit mode. When play mode is pressed, provided there are no bugs preventing the game from building, the unit enters play mode and switches to the game view. So can we just play this? Huh, interesting. Interesting. So, okay, you can select that. Okay, interesting. Good. Interesting. What is the name of this app? Hey Mono, what's going on? Welcome. It's just a Unity. It's the Unity editor, the Unity engine. Pane if you want to inspect game objects in the running scene. It's helpful if you need to debug a scene. Press the pause button at the time to pause the running scene. Okay. Nice. So you can play and pause and step through each frame. But I think to always remember to work and play modes. Okay, so if your scene is running and you're doing editing, it's not going to be saved. Oh, when you stop playing. Okay. Unity preferences. Unity. Can you do that? Preferences. Oh, 210. What was that? Okay. Unity preferences, bro. Where do you access Unity preferences? Preferences. Okay. General. General. This isn't it. Bleh. Window. Good thing it shows you like where it's where do you get to that? There is no Unity. There is no Unity button. What? You guys know what's going on? Skip trial. Okay. That's very interesting. I just want to go into Unity. Help. Here we go. Quick search. Count layers, collab, scene, preferences. Oh, colors. Okay. Scene. Play mode tint. Let's do red so you can see what's going on. So if I play it, okay, so you can see that it's playing and then boom. All right, that's good to know. That's good. You can save instance of your sprite by dragging the object from the scene to the project tab. Oh, so I can project tab. So here, so I can drag this. How do I do that? Hold on. Okay, drag it. So this is local. Okay, drag it. Instance. So this is dragging it in the world, right? That's interesting. I don't know why I can't do that. Am I choosing the right one? Not sure. So what is that sprite? Okay, can I delete this? I can delete that. Nice. So I only have player sheet here. I'll get to that later. That's a good tip. I just need to figure out how to do it. Hierarchy tab. Okay. Hierarchy tab. Okay, why can't I drag that there? Like I need to select some other thing. Move, scale, rotate objects. Oh my god, okay. I can't figure that out, bro. I don't know what the issue is. Okay, maybe we'll get to that. Is helpful if you need to debug a scene. Okay. What is this? While still in play mode, you can switch back to scene view by selecting the tab at the top of the scene pane if you want to inspect game objects. So if I'm running the game, I can go back to my scene to inspect game objects while I'm playing. Okay. Oh, you drag it from the hierarchy to project tab, from the hierarchy tab to the project tab. Okay, so like that. So I can put it anywhere like that. Ah, okay. Thanks, bro. Nice. And I can add a folder, right? I could add a folder like in assets here. Ooh, okay. What would this be? Is this something? No. Hold on. What do we have? All prefabs. Here we go. I can add C# script. So if I would add a C# script called test, and then I open this. Oh, yeah, I can edit it right here, or I can open Visual Studio. Nice. That's cool. It's good to know. Once you can add a folder instances. Okay, so instances, folder, instances. Can I place it here? So I have my instances. Can I do that again? Oh, okay, you can create variants of it as well. Nice. Okay, all prefabs. And I can remove this, right? Delete. So if I delete the prefab, it's going to delete the whole thing, right? No, only the instance. Okay. So I do have player sheet. Instances. And I can drag more of these instances in, like 20 of them like that. Okay, cool. And delete, I guess. Yeah, you can delete the instance. Nice, guys. Thanks. Thanks. It's good to know. Okay, let's get back to it. If you need to debug, so if I want to debug, I want to go back. Single frame. The step button is for a single frame. Okay, good. Yeah, I already saw that. Unity project structure. Okay, we're still on the boring stuff. The main two Unity projects folders to know are the assets folder and the project settings folder. I only see the assets folder. Edit project settings. Okay, here we have a bunch of projects: indirect shader, copy buffer, sort shader, strip. Oh man, there's so many stuff. Editor. Okay. Generally based off the contents asset project. The library folder is a local cache for importing assets. Okay. Good. So all the stuff will be contained here. Summary. Good. Yeah, good. Foundations. Here we go. Cool. Okay, so we're going to talk about entities now. This is interesting. Scenes, everything in a scene called a game object, you encounter scripts, colliders, and other types of elements in your Unity adventures. Okay. So you can create an empty game object. Nice. I know it's kind of boring while I'm reading, guys. I'm sorry, but you guys can feel free to ask me questions, whatever you want, and I'll answer them. Select create empty. So this creates an empty game object right there. Oh, okay. So I could have just done that. Or what? Sample scene. Game object, create empty. Okay. Game object, select rename, call it player object. So we're gonna rename this now to player object. Rename. There we go. Oh, you can add components to it. Ooh la la, look at this. Physics and stuff. Okay. Player contain all logic related to content player in our RPG. Enemy object. Let's create another one. Create empty. Enemy object. Sounds known as separation of concerns. All right, so separation of concerns is a concept. All right. Describes how software is divided into modules based on the functionality they perform. Each module is responsible for a single functional concern that should be completely encapsulated by the module when it comes down to implementation. Loose and interpretive term, yeah. Broad and responsible rendering graphics. Problem motivation separating concerns is software design. Okay. Interesting. Use it everywhere. Yeah, we want to just create a bunch of objects and code that we can reuse. That's pretty much what they're saying here. Unity builds on that entity component design. We can see that here. We can add components. That's pretty much what we use in our game engines as well, which I'm going to create here. Empty game object will never render when you execute the game, but you can see the empty in the scene. You can give the color of that empty in the inspector. Okay, so I could give it something here, right? I could add like, I mean, it won't render. Ooh la la, what is all this? So color. All right, interesting though. Okay, so you can even give a color to their empty in the inspector. Okay, interesting. Pretty sure. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, la la la. Usable composition result in less code would be easier to understand. Game design, game objects, entity, and the component actual components. Okay. So the Unity scene is a game object. Yeah, but we knew that. Okay. So I'm just checking. So graphics render. So you can add a graphics render, collision detection. You can add physics, audio player, and stuff like that. This is such a cool design. I love working with engines because it's so cool. Like you can add a bunch of stuff here. Mesh filter, text mesh. Nice rendering. Sprite renderer. So that would be the sprite, right? Okay, now we're gonna start adding some stuff. So they want me to select the player object. One of the universal game objects. Unity's transform component is always there for each game object. That's good to know. So sprites, if you're near, you might. What is a sprite? It's like a 2D image. Okay. Yeah, we know what a sprite is. Two sprites are to save on disk ahead of time. Good. We already had a sprite sheet. Sprite renderer. So add a sprite renderer component. So we're going to use add component button the first time. Okay, so we use that now. But you can also inspector and type in sprite, select sprite renderer, sets a component to apply. Okay. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, okay. They don't tell us the other way. All right. Instead, we could have created a game. Oh, with the sprite actually attached by going to the game object menu, selecting 2D object. So game object menu, 2D object sprite. So that would have created a game object with a sprite attached. Cool. Nice. All right. Hey, man. Hey, what's going on, guys? Good content. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Thank you guys for chilling here. Really appreciate it. I know I'm looking down, reading your comments, and looking down, reading the book, but I appreciate you guys chilling. The cube icon. The cube icon. Here. Ah, okay. So I could like, nice, all right, all right. So it's like an icon, right? Oh, cool, cool. Nothing much, just getting ready to start working on a game jam. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, I'm just learning Unity right now. I'm reading a book here, talking to you guys, learning Unity. What game are you gonna make on the game jam? Or don't you know that yet? Do you have to kind of decide that while you're doing the game jam? Let's see what we were render card. Add a sprite render component to the enemy object as well. Sprite rendering. Sprite renderer. Nice. Look at all this. Cool. Let's see. Do I have anything to drink? My mouth is dry. Brackeys. Yeah, I know Brackeys. I did check Brackeys out actually, but I bought a book to learn, so I usually like books. That's good. What game jam you enter? Yeah, what game jam, bro? Yeah, Brackeys is amazing. He's like a god when it comes to Unity. I saw he had some Udemy stuff as well. I was gonna check that out. And I'm most probably gonna check his stuff out. I can't do that on stream, so reading a book is a little better because I want to learn this on stream. Ludum, I've heard about Ludum Dare. Is that a game jam? Interesting. Regarding to the same technique. Saving the scene is a good habit to get into. So let's save the scene right now. Okay, so Control S. Then create a new folder and name it Scenes. Control S. Excuse me, what? I did do S. Control S. Save the scene as level 1. Okay. Can I rename this? Maybe I already saved it. Save scene as. Okay. Level 1. Save that. Okay, so this is now level 1. Interesting. Anyway. So okay, so these are all the scenes for our game. So I think scenes are like states, right? We'll create sprites in the project view as you might use. This will hold the sprite assets for our project in the project view. So sprites. Create a new folder called sprites. So instances, scenes, sprites. So if I look in here, I'll have a few scenes, instances, sprites. Good. We'll hold the sprites assets for our project. Create a folder underneath the sprites folder called player, and then called enemies. Okay, so we can do this. Create folder here called player, and then another folder, enemies. Good. I've entered the second one starting soon as 64x64 pixel game. I'm ready to make 128 by 128. Jam comes around, still a bit of practice. Nice, man. It's 5:21 a.m. It's 22 a.m. here. Wow, guys. Damn, where are you guys at? Good content. Where are you at, bro? 5, that's gotta be the US, right? No, it can't be the US, right? Somewhere in Europe. What am I talking about? Somewhere in Europe. No, it's not in Europe. New Zealand. Ignore what I said. Just ignore what I said. I'm thinking I'm in Sweden. New Zealand is like down here somewhere. So it's on that time here, the timeline. Okay, yeah. Good, New Zealand. Great. Awesome, bro. I got a case of the Mondays. Really? What do you mean you're tired? Oh, yeah, because it's Monday for you. Hold on. 1:22 a.m. 5:21 a.m. guys. Oh my god. What are you guys doing? Go to sleep. I thought you guys were talking PM up in here. AM, these guys are watching my stream. Wow. Well, happy Monday to you, my friend. It's not too far away from me either. Gotta get to work on Monday. Damn it. Okay, hold on. Sprites, might guess. So hold on, sprite. Okay, player, enemy, select sprites folder in the project. You can go to the folder in your downloads directory, desktop, or wherever you place the unzipped folder with the downloaded game assets for this book. This is for chapters 3. Select the file, player PNG, enemy, walk 1 PNG, and then 1 idle, and drag them into sprites folder. The main sprites folder, drag them into the respective player enemy folder. Okay, whatever. Okay, so they want us to do, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to our sprites again, and I'm gonna open up player and go back to, just close all of this. Here we go. Let's just add this here. Great. Enemies. I'll add the enemy sprite, just like I said. Something rat, maybe? Scorpion. You can see Scorpion a little better. Okay. Player top. Okay. So if I click it, properties appear. Nice. Nice. Okay, what are you guys saying? Oh, watch anime? Yeah, I did watch anime a lot before. I haven't in a while. I got a tip from Vishal. He said watch Demon Slayer. I haven't watched that, but I probably I'm gonna give that a go. Fairy Tail. Oh, isn't that really good? I don't know if I watched that, but it's really good, I heard. I'm like an owl, so it doesn't matter. I'm nocturnal. Nice, guys. Oh man. 400 episodes. Peace out, guys. I'm not watching that. That's crazy. What's your favorite animes? Let me know. I watched Neon Genesis Evangelion. That was my absolute favorite. Also, Full Metal Alchemist, of course. I watched an old one called Great Teacher Onizuka. I love that. And Samurai Champloo or whatever. Those were amazing. I watched, what is that one? Do you guys watch a lot of animes or just like a little bit? Sword Art Online is great as well. It's 12:15. You mean AM or PM, John? I hope you mean PM because you gotta work, man. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, is it AM or PM? Sword Art Online, love it as a 700% show. Oh my god. What? Okay, PM. Good, bro. Just for your sake. Awesome. The only one that has a perfect blue. The only one that has a perfect blue is a movie, not a series. Perfect blue. I haven't seen that. The only movie anime I watched was Evangelion and what is that one called? Spirited Away. Have you guys seen Spirited Away? That was pretty awesome. Weeb fraud. Lol. That's funny. What else did I watch? Hold on. What is that anime called, guys? There's these girls who like fight stuff, like these huge girls. They're like warriors, kind of. They have this cool armor on, and they fight people, not people, demons and stuff, and people hate them. They're like crusaders, kind of. They fight them with swords and stuff. I don't know what that's called, man. But that one was great. Valkyrie? No, not Valkyrie. Whatever. It was pretty good. Anyway. What are they telling me to do? Select this. Notice how properties have appeared in the inspector to the right. We're going to configure the asset import settings in the inspector and then use sprite editor to slice up this sprite sheet into individual sprites. Oh, select the texture type. Sprite 2D and UI. That's set. Select multiple. Oh, looky here, guys. Looky here. Unapplied import settings. That's a sprite. Okay, multiple. I said sprite mode drop down picker and select multiple indicates that there are multiple sprites in that sprite sheet asset. Change the pixels per unit to 30. Express the pixels per unit. This is when we talk about cameras. Okay. Pixels per unit. Where is that? Oh, 32. Sure, altitude 32. Change the filter mode to point, no filter. Okay, I like that. That's good. I think that's gonna be really nice pixelated look. Yeah, this will make the sprite texture a bit blocky up close. Perfect for the pixelated look for our artwork. Today, the bottom, press default button. Press the default button and select none for compression. Default button and select none for compression. Apply button to apply or change the sprite editor button in the inspector. It's time to slice our sprite sheet in sprite. Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh god, we're just gonna do this now, guys. Oh my god. It's going to have you, bro. Probably once, but prefer if it. It's a good joke, Mr. PG. That is a good joke. You are a joker. You are absolutely amazing at jokes. All DB series. Okay, nice. Hey. No, not Pokemon. I just play the game. LOL. Yes, I haven't watched Pokemon. I used to watch Pokemons when I was a kid. Now I haven't watched that in a long time. I know a friend who just recently rewatched that. I think. That's awesome though. Did you guys have Digimon? Or did you just have Pokemon? I'm just curious. Digimon was pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna do compression none. Okay, now we're gonna split it up. Now how do we do? The sprite editor tool built into the unit is very convenient for taking sprite sheets. Consists of many sprites. Select slice in the upper left. What? Where? Where? I need to know this. Slice. How do you open it? And then press the sprite editor button in the inspector. It's time to slice. Oh, sprite editor. Where is the sprite editor, guys? Please help me. But sprite editor. Wait, hold on. Sprite. And then press the sprite editor button in the inspector. It's time to apply. What is that? WebGL? Guys, where is the sprite? Oh god, what did I do? I want to edit my sprite. Oh, here, sprite editor. Okay, guys. Excuse me. It's time. Okay, we're gonna, let's put the, can you, oh, what? Hold on, guys. I want to put it right there. Okay, sprite editor. So, One Piece is pretty good. Yeah, One Piece is pretty good. I played all the games, main series, and watched nearly. Oh my god, you guys are crazy. Okay, have fun. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. See you guys later. Okay, take care. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. So we're here to splice these up. How do you splice this? Sprite editor in Unity engine. Very confusing to take a sprite sheets because of amazing. Go slide down. So slice in the upper left corner and choose grid. Slice and then choose. Okay. Type grid by cell size. Okay. Good. And type. This allows us to set the dimension of the slicing for pixel size. Enter 32, X and Y respectively. So this depends on how big that is. Let me just check my sprite. Player sprite. Properties. Showing details. Hold on. Properties. So I have 1024. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is that? Calc 124 divided by 16 would give me 64. So this is 64 by 64. Great, great, good. Okay. So if I press slice, nice. You can now see the faint lines. Okay. Oof, I love this. Now press the apply button. Apply. So it didn't do it for wherever there are no sprites. Now I can see all my, this is so cool how it just automatically found the sprites. That is so cool. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, close the sprite editor. How do you close it? Close tab. Why did I do that? I could have kept that open, couldn't I? Okay, scene. The exact dimension for the sprite sheet because we knew them ahead of time. Yes. What did you use to make your sprite sheet with? Blah, 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 blah. What did I use? I'll show you. I used, I think it's called, it's nothing, not MS Paint, man. Not MS Paint, although I have used that before, but it's really not good at all. What I did was I went to Photopea, I think. So I went in here, I took all my sprites, they were kind of individual, and then I created a new one, like empty one here, transparent, create, and then I just added them here. So I have a technique where I kind of add a black, like if I have a 64 by 64 sprite, right? I add a black background, I add that one sprite there. Next background is red, black, so I can see exactly where they're divided. I put that in, and in another layer, I actually put the sprite in. So I can exactly see where they should be. And then, yeah, I just save that. Kind of. I don't know if that made sense. But that's how I do, man. GIMP or Paint.net, pretty good too. Supports Alpha Channel. Nice, okay. GIMP is good. GIMP is good. I have GIMP. I did actually use that once. Not, what did you say? Paint.net I did not use. Try Texture Packer. Try Texture Packer is a setting for making Unity sprite sheets. Texture Packer. What is that, bro? Where do I do that? Packer? Packer? Did you spell that right? Texture Packer. Create sprite sheets for a game. Sprite sheet. Drop your download texture. Okay, definitely. I will do this actually using Texture Packer for Unity. Aha. What? So you get smaller textures? Wow. Oh my God. Amazing. What? Okay. Definitely I'll try this. MS Paint is like, no one uses it. That's true. I only use it at work when you paste stuff from like the snip thing. That's the one. Okay. Nice. Yeah, this is awesome. Yo guys, by the way, the book we're reading is this one. Pretty awesome book. It's very cheap right now for Kindle. I'm not advertising. I'm just saying I'm really happy with this book. Although I'm gonna try this one, this cookbook as well, and the C# one most probably. I like books. I love books. It's awesome. Yes, I used to use libgdx texture packer to make Java games. Nice, bro. Very nice. Very nice. So let's see. Let's continue this. Okay. Has the ability to automatically detect sprite dimensions on an imported sprite sheet by selecting automatic. Wow. That's crazy. So yeah, you might get mixed results. So what all that slicing and dicing do for us? Little triangle. Okay. So now it knows all of that stuff. That is the first one, and then there's the walk one. Okay. So we're gonna create some animation. Let's put these sprites to work. Select the player object in the inspector. Wow, I'm so happy right now. This is absolutely amazing. See a little circle. Sprite renderer. Okay. Circle figure. Click on that circle to bring up the sprite selector screen. Okay. Now I got all the sprites though. Oh, so this is for the scene. Okay, so I can choose any one. Okay. Good. So this is only for the scene. I can remove this now, right? Hold on. So I remove that. This is our players. I'm going to put it in the scene. You can zoom in a little bit. Player object. Oh, if you hold down middle mouse, you can move the scene around. That's amazing. Good. So I have my player object. Now we're going to do the same thing for the enemy. So let's see if I remember this. I have my player sprites enemies. I select that. I go to multiple pixels per unit 32. I'll keep this at tight, I guess. This is no point filter, compression none. Apply. And then we'll go to the sprite editor. And here we're gonna say, okay, so what can this be? 3. I have 3 on the side, so that would give me 60 by 64. Nah, it can't be. Details. 180 by 3 is 60, isn't it? 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so 60. All right, that's 60 by 64. Good thing I wrote that. Sometimes you should write that on your sprite name. By the way, guys, that's a good idea. So 60 by 64. So now we're gonna slice this. Grid by cell. 60 by 64. Slice it. I guess it did slice it, right? 64. I don't see the line there. Apply. Okay, it did work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's perfect. Okay, good. Let's go back to the scene. Let's go to our enemy object. Let's choose the scorpion. Right there. Let's place the scorpion in our scene. Like that. What are you guys doing? Yes, I wonder game engine in the future will have a built-in AI that does everything for you. I guess. We programmers won't have a job. Yeah, it's true, man. Wasn't there a AI that could code or whatever? There was something I read. Some kind of AI. It was really weird. And then they have AIs for like image editing. They have AI for everything, man. It's insane. It's crazy. I bet that's gonna happen, bro. So you better make your games while you can. So we imported that enemy thing. I did everything correctly. Yes. Yes. Let's create a new folder to hold the animations. Folder. And let's name it animations. Okay, so they're objects. Right, access from project to create folder, or you can create a button on the top right called animations. Select the animations folder and create another 2 subfolders within it titled animations and controllers. Okay. And then another folder called controllers. Awesome. Scorpion is too cute to be my enemy. I know, looks pretty sweet. This is true. What do you guys have planned for the week? Let me know. What are you guys doing? What are you doing, Mr. PhD? Call this folder controllers. Expand the player sprite by clicking the little arrow next to it in the projects view. Select the first player sprite. Hold on. Animations and control. Expand the player's sprites by clicking the little arrow next to it in the project view. Sprites. What do you mean? I can't do that. I can't do that. Hold on. Do. Clicking the little, expand the player sprites by clicking the little arrow next to it in the project view. Select the first player sprite. Okay. First player, so this should be a sprite of the player. Walking is hold down the shift key to select the 3 sprites next to it. These 4 sprites together onto the player objects as seen in figure 3.2. So, oh, okay, you just select it, select all, and just drop it onto the screen. Will prompt you to create a new animation. Okay, cool. So what is our idle? This is our idle, and we'll drag that onto the player object. It will prompt me to create a new animation. Okay. Navigate to the animation subdirectory that we created previously and save this animation as player walk east. Okay, I'll do a different thing. I'll go to assets, animations, and we'll call it player idle anim. Okay, so he wanted me to paste it in. Okay. Cool. Let's save that. Now we have an animation here, I guess, in animations, right? Animations, player idle, player object. What is this? Player object, player idle. Fine. I'm gonna continue the Wingman Lua project inspired by you. Nice, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna keep working on that. I figured out a better way to work on that as well. We'll see if I can get to that again. And script it out in Lua. Nice, bro. Cool. Yeah, I did a whole different thing for my new side-scroller series, so that's all based on Lua. So if you check that out, you know, if you find something I'm doing wrong, let me know if I can do something better, all right? If you have time, so just check out that 2D side-scroller one. We have 2 new components for your sprite render and animator. We have 2 new. What do you want me to do? Now select the player object. Oh, okay. So I linked some animations to a player object. That animation to the player object. Okay. So I have Animator. Sprite render component is responsible for displaying and rendering a sprite. You know, also add Animator component, which contains an Animator controller, which allows the playing of animations. Cool. We add an animation to our player object. The Unity editor has a smart enough. Yeah, it's really smart how you can just drag and drop stuff. Oh, you can add an animator manually. Okay. Player object was confusing. Confusing because our main player object is also called player object. Yeah, that's why I was so confused by this. Let's rename the animation controller to something slightly more descriptive. So this is the controller then. Enter key, right click, player controller. So rename player controller. The controllers folder we created. Okay, so now we're just going to drag that into the controllers folder. Double click on the player controller object in the animation window. Okay. Oh, what is this? Control object, create double click. Okay, so this is the Animator state machine. Oh my god, guys, you guys are insane. Yeah, watch that. That's neat. Oh, thanks, bro. When you'll be uploading next tutorial for OpenGL. Hey, Meul. Sorry, I don't know how to say your name, bro. But thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. When will the next one be? I think it will be. Let me think. I have a lot of series going on. I really want to do one. Thank you for reminding me, actually. I really want to do one by next week or the week after that. But I'll definitely put effort into that. Thank you so much for reminding me. Oh, I really forgot about the OpenGL stuff. I'll get to it. Okay, so damn it, I'm gonna have to go soon, guys. Damn it. Okay, hold on. I'm not done yet. The animation controller maintains a set of rules. Hold on. Can you see everything? Yes. Set of rules. State machine used to determine which animation clip to play for an associate object based on which state the player is in. Players might be in walk, attack, idle, either. Okay. Okay. Each state in the animation state, this is like the brain for the animations. This is where you select. You will be able to change the states of the player, and depending on the state, another animation will be played. An animation object attached to it. The animation object contains the actual animation clip to play. Okay, but firstly, I'm gonna create another animation object because I know this is gonna be a little different. Let's go to the animations again. So this is player idle. Let's go to sprites player. Well, let's select the walk for, so this is all the walking. This is the walk. What is east? It's to the right, I think. So let's select this. First of all, let's select the walking forward. I think that's the walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in each. Yeah, that's the walking forward. Let's put that in player object. Walk player walk forward. Oh, sorry, hold on. So let's save that in, hold on, what did I do? Assets, animations, forward, and then we need to the left here. Player walk left. Yeah, that's to the left. And then let's do player walk right. Right. And one more, player walk back. Back. Assets, animations. Okay, so now we got a few different animations. Nice. Cool. So this is the animator. I could close it, right? I can close tab. And how was it? I clicked the player object and I double click. What was it? Player object. This is the animator. How did you open that? Oh, so player controller. Hold on. Animations. This is all the animations. This is control. So if I click the controller, we'll see that at the entry it's player idle. Cool. Nice. We'll be expecting another stream within a week. Yeah, most probably, bro. Most probably. If not, with like in between, like Wednesday or something. I'll really try. I really want to stream as well. I want to learn all this. So transition between animation states. You can see an animator window. Animator control has the following states. Okay. Oh, exit state. Oh, there's the exit state. Nice. Also zoom in and zoom out. Scroll button. Yeah. So you can drag it. Nice. Makes sense to you. Let's add the rest of our animations. Go back to sprite folder and select the next four sprites. Let's drag the 4 onto there. Yeah, we did that. Follow the same step to create new animations for other sprites. Note that the walk south mark 2 frames, not 4. Call the animation player walk south, player walk now. Yeah, did that. Nice. Yeah, that's how mine looks. Okay, it's like an image with all these different ones. So I'm gonna organize these a little bit. I'm gonna put them right under each other, like that. So the ones that are like related to one another, I'm gonna keep a little closer. And then idle is like a little different. We've done all this work, but we still don't have anything animating. Yep. Select the main camera. Game audience, set the size property to 1. Oh, okay. Main camera, set the size property to 1. Come on, bro. You guys, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What is this? Why are you guys giving me so much money? No, no. Blank space. Bro, that is, no, that can't be. That can't be, my man's donating again. What? What was that? Where did that come from, man? Why? Thank you for the donation, bro. I don't know where that came from, but that is, why did that drop on? I think that was an old one, but thank you so much, bro. What? My man Daniel with the donations. Thank you guys. Wow, you really don't have to donate. Oh, crazy. Insane. Thank you all for watching, by the way. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I really appreciate it. You guys are absolutely amazing. We're gonna have to end soon, but I just want to get this animation done. So one, the temporary, so you can clearly see the player. Animator will explain more about the cameras in the book. Press the play button in the toolbar. If all goes well, you should see our interpret player fences running up in place. Okay. So play button. Game. Scene. Oh, hold on. Ooh, that is working. Ooh, hold on. So if I go to game. Hold on. Game. Why is it not showing my player? What? Hello? What? It should be showing my game, right? Look at that. Why is that not showing my game? That's very weird. Look at that. It should be here. Should be here. Did I mess up the camera? Main camera? Is this like, can I put that in there? 1.5 again? It's very weird. It should, the player object should be there. The thing is being rendered. Right? That's strange. It was like, if I play it, you can see it's kind of, it's animating. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Although I can't really see it in the game because I might have done something to this. Hold on, I know what I've done. I know what I've done, guys. I messed up my main camera. This should be camera object. Should be at, somehow it's not really, I must have moved it somewhere in the 3D. So where is my camera object? Look, the camera is totally weird. There we go. -50. So where's the Z? I just saw it. Hold on. This is insane. Where are you, bro? Ah, this is crazy. I can't really understand where the camera is right now, honestly. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm getting there. So this is on a Z. So that's why that wasn't showing. So it has to be on Z minus 10. Something like that, right? No, that messed up again. It has to be on like Z minus 12, 15 something. That's hella weird. Okay, we'll keep it there. We'll keep it there. Anyway, that's interesting. It's on offset. What? What is on offset? Can I do 0? Never mind. We'll go back to 2D. Okay, so now we can see our camera here. Nice, 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 nice. Global, local. Okay. Anyway, let's just play the game and go to game. We can see it's animating very nicely. Nice. Look at that animation, boys and girls. That's nice. So I bet if I change this to entry to entry. Okay, I bet if I did it that way, can I switch this? Maybe I'll get to that soon. Okay. Well, double click. Let's show down the frantic player. Open the animator window by double clicking the player object animator. Player object animator. Hey. The animator window by double clicking the player object animator. Player object animator. What are you guys talking about? What is this? Inspector? Player controller. That's not it. Player idle. Okay, so this is the animator and we can select the speed here. So this is the animator window. I just want to see how to open it up. Hold on. Let's do scene. So this is that animation itself. The controller will open this up. So that opens the animator window up. Is there another way to open the animator window? Because that's kind of annoying. But anyway, okay, fine. We'll leave it at that. And boom. So he looks cute with a scorpion. Yeah, right? Right next to him, just like that. Okay, so I can switch this to 0.8 and then run it again. Oh, that's a little nicer, a little slower. Okay, so let's add the same thing. Let's do the same thing for the scorpion then. Let's go to scene then. And then we have our animations here. We have our little scorpion. So we need that. So how do we do that? We have the enemy object and we have a sprite editor. No, we had our sprites. That's how it was. Sprites, enemies. So 1, 2, 3 is the walking forward. So let me do that to the enemy object. Beyond walk forward. Assets, animations. Okay, we'll divide that up to stuff later. Anyway, once that's done, we have that animation set. Let's go to animations. Enemy object. So this was enemy controller. Let's put that into controllers. Animations. So this is our scorpion walk forward. Good. Then we could just press the enemy button, animator, enemy controller, and if we run this, it's walking forward, but it's walking really fast. So you can see how, ooh, you can see how fast that's walking too. So I can go ahead and do 0.6 here, and I can go to game, and I can run this. Oh, look, nice! Look at that, guys. That's amazing. Hey, Pixel Pat, welcome. How you doing, bro? On this beautiful day, very nice. It's night at work, Mr. PhD. It's very evening here. It's 8 p.m. here. But yeah, thanks, man. Day is the whole day, so it is a beautiful day. Hope you're doing great too. Welcome to this Unity. I've been reading the book here on my phone while I've been following the tutorial, so this is pretty cool. Okay. Can adjust the speed whenever you feel like. Stop placing. 5 sprites each. Name the animations enemy walk 1. Rename the enemy object animation controller. And move it to animation controller subfolder. And cool. To the animation subfolder. Okay, colliders. We're gonna have to learn about colliders. Okay, we're gonna do that next stream probably. It's 8 o'clock now, so I'm gonna have to leave, my guys. But this is really cool. I'm just gonna add the final ones to this. Animation sprites enemies. So this is the left one. Enemy. Hold on. Here we go. Enemy object. What is this? Scorpion walk left. Save. Scorpion player enemy object. Can you do this in another way? I need to learn that. Animations. Scorpion walk right. I love this book. This book is incredible. I love this book. Guys, you guys gotta try this book out. It's pretty good. If you want to learn Unity 2D, it seems to be really good. So well written. Maybe you need a player without armor. Yeah, right? Make the armor as equipment. That could be a good one. All right, my man. Thank you for sticking with me, okay? Thank you all. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. I'm just gonna finish this one though. Animations. Scorpion walk back. Save. So if I were to, I just want to try this. If I were to, how do you do this? Can you write copy current? Can I? Parameters. How do you drag? I guess he'll get to that soon, but make transition entry. And I can probably, can I remove this now? Hopefully. Ooh, okay. I can't remove that for some reason, but okay, meh. Interesting. Control S, save that. Let's just see that we didn't break anything here. Game, still working, nice. Okay, nice. I just bought Unity 2000 Unity 2D game development projects and on the second game. Nice, bro. Okay, you just bought Unity. Okay, Unity 2D game. What is that? Is that a book? This is the one I'm using, by the way. Unity 2D game development projects. Is that a book? Ooh, I need to get this book as well. Game programming patterns. That seems real nice. Okay, I'm gonna look into that. All right, guys. Well, stay safe. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the donations. I don't know if Daniel's still here, but you guys donating is incredible. Absolutely super generous. I mean, it's never required, but you know, it really helps out. It really helps the stream and the community or the channel out. So thank you so much. Just watching is great. Drop a like, subscribe as well if you guys are new. Also, drop a comment if you want. And check out all the series. You can go into my playlist if you're new and check out all the series there. The new series coming out is this one with the 2D side scroller. So watch that, and we'll be streaming this Unity thing, learning Unity as well. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, guys. Really appreciate you guys sticking around. So take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye bye.